Hey everyone, it's Ni Emur. Who doesn't want to make more money while they sleep? That's the beauty of passive income, and creating and selling online courses is one of the best ways to achieve it. In this video, I'll break down the steps to create a successful online course, from choosing your topic to marketing it to the right audience. So let's dive in. The first step in creating a successful online course is choosing the right topic. This is crucial because it sets the foundation for everything that follows. What are you passionate about? Passion is the driving force that will keep you motivated throughout the course creation process. Think about your skills, hobbies, and experiences. These are the areas where you have the most knowledge and can provide the most value to your students. Are you a whiz at graphic design? If so, you could create a course that teaches others how to master this skill. Do you make the best sourdough bread? Share your secrets and techniques with others who are eager to learn. These are potential gold mines for online courses. Your unique skills and passions can translate into valuable learning experiences for others. The best courses come from genuine passion and expertise. When you teach something you love, it resonates with your students. When you're excited about what you're teaching, it shows. Your enthusiasm will be contagious and will keep your students engaged. Don't be afraid to get specific. Niche topics can attract a dedicated audience who are looking for specialized knowledge. Instead of a general photography course, maybe focus on portrait or landscape photography. This allows you to dive deeper into the subject and provide more value. Now that you have a killer course idea, it's time to dive deeper into the planning phase. It's time to plan out your content and structure meticulously. This is where your course will start to take shape. Start by outlining the main topics you want to cover. Think about what your students need to learn and in what order. Break those topics down into smaller, manageable modules or lessons. Each module should build on the previous one. Think about the logical flow of information. Start with the basics and gradually introduce more advanced concepts. This helps in maintaining a smooth learning curve. Use different formats to keep students engaged, like video lessons, downloadable worksheets, and quizzes. Variety keeps the content fresh and interesting. Clarity is key. Use clear and concise language to ensure your students understand the material without any confusion. And don't forget to inject your personality into the material. Personal anecdotes and a touch of humor can make your course more relatable and enjoyable. It's time to bring your course to life by recording your videos and creating supplementary materials. This is where your creativity and passion for teaching can truly shine. Invest in some basic equipment like a decent microphone to improve audio quality. Clear audio makes a huge difference in how your content is received. Be enthusiastic, engaging, and speak clearly. Your energy will keep students interested and motivated to learn. Show your personality. People connect with people. Let your unique style and passion come through. In addition to videos, create supplementary materials like downloadable PDFs. These resources can help reinforce learning, cheat sheets, and quizzes. These tools provide additional ways for students to engage with the material. The more value you provide, the more resources you offer, the more satisfied your students will be. Happy students are more likely to succeed and recommend your course to others. With your course content ready, you need a platform to host it. Great options include Teachable, Kajabi, Thinkific, and Podia. These platforms offer features like secure payment processing, student management tools, and customizable course websites. Consider your budget, technical skills, and the specific features you need. Most platforms offer free trials. Choose a platform that allows you to create a professional and engaging learning environment. You've created an amazing online course, and now it's time to market it effectively. Start by identifying your target audience. Who would benefit most from your course? Understand their needs and preferences. Effective strategies include social media marketing, email marketing, content marketing, and paid advertising. Collaborate with other creators, offer early bird discounts, or host a free webinar to attract potential students. Be persistent and consistent with your marketing efforts to see the best results. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to creating and selling your online course. Share your passion, generate passive income, and achieve financial freedom. The online education market is booming, so take that first step today. Thanks for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next one.